It's about that time. It's about that time for some Halo. We're gonna be testing this out today on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the Intel HD 4600 integrated graphics on Halo. What? It's gonna be great. We're gonna destroy the game. Ignore everything that it says that the integrated is not compatible. We're just gonna play it now and have some fun. I'm gonna go shoot some space alien things. I don't know. I don't play Halo. Let's get into it. Come on, I'm ready. What? Yeah, once again, Halo doesn't work on the Intel HD graphics, guys. I don't know how much I have to tell you that. It doesn't run on integrated graphics, period. Okay, it's not compatible. It's just a video just to show you guys that hey, integrated graphics does not work with Halo Infinite at this point in time. This was the Intel HD 4600. I tested on the Iris 540 as well. Neither runs Halo Infinite. Don't download this game if you have integrated graphics. I'll see you guys.